Are heartburn, gas, heavy stomach, bloating, and drowsiness part of your daily life? Did you know that 20% of the world's population suffers from these symptoms? Today, you will learn how to make a homemade syrup to treat your problems. Have you ever heard of aloe vera syrup? According to a clinical trial done by the Bakyatella University of Medical Sciences, Iran, aloe vera syrup is highly recommended to treat gastroesophageal reflux. The study's goal was to compare the effects of aloe vera with omeprazole and ranitidine in treating symptoms. In the study, 79 people were divided into 3 groups. The first group took 1 tablespoon of aloe vera every day for 4 weeks. The second took a 20 milligram tablet of omeprazole for 4 weeks. And the third group took a 150 milligram tablet of ranitidine in the morning while fasting, and another 150 milligrams at night, half an hour before sleeping for 4 weeks. After the 4-week evaluation period, aloe syrup was considered safe, well accepted, and better for treating burps, heartburn, nausea, flatulence, vomiting, and acid regurgitation. Incredible, isn't it? Now learn how to make a natural aloe vera syrup to help treat the symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux. Write down the ingredients. 3 to 5 leaves of aloe vera, depending on the size. You will need 3 feet of aloe, 1 pound of pure honey, 3 tablespoons of any distilled drink, vodka, whiskey, etc. You only need a small amount to help with conservation. Rinse the aloe leaves, remove the thorns from the sides with a knife, and cut the leaves into small, equal slices. You don't need to remove the peel. Next, put the leaves in a blender. Add the honey and distilled drink and blend until smooth. Keep in a sterilized dark glass jar with a lid. If you don't have dark glass jars around, wrap a regular one in aluminum foil. Leave the syrup in a dry, cool place. You don't need to keep the syrup in the fridge, but if you want to, then cover the jar with a dark cloth. Wait for 2 days after making it to start consuming. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day, 20 minutes before your main meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Always shake the jar before consumption to mix aloe and honey. Remember, never replace the treatment prescribed by your doctor. This aloe syrup should complement the doctor's prescription. Pregnant or nursing women, diabetics, and children must not consume this remedy. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.